Call all Starseeds and light servers for anchoring of the crystal rainbow light frequencies. Please listen very carefully. The recent downloads of crystalline codes that have allowed the quantum leap, through the opening of the latest portals, have reactivated the crystals from Atlantis scattered all over the planet. The crystal rainbow light interconnection frequency is now available for all humanity in all its splendor, for connection with higher consciousness, and the unity interconnection with everything. Now, through this rainbow connection, you have the opportunity to manifest it in your lives. New frequencies of love, unity in all its splendor to assist you in your ascension and multidimensional enlightenment. The crystal rainbow frequencies flow from the cosmic heart of us, your divine mothers to earth, through the already activated ascension portals, igniting the crystalline light grids of the starseed consciousness incarnated on the planet in this now. That is why all starseeds, collaborators in the service of light, as carriers in their DNA of multicolor crystal light, have a great commitment and the valuable responsibility in this now to assist the planet and all its kingdoms by anchoring the frequencies of energies coming from the rainbow interconnection from our great cosmic heart. These multicolor energies of this golden age are of harmony, healing, abundance, prosperity, unity, integration, collaboration, reconciliation, peace, joy, happiness, fraternity, and above all infinite unconditional love. It is the energetic frequency that supports the manifestation of the new earth, and all our latent brothers in her, of the new human consciousness, and to the creation of the cosmic bridge of connection with the other fields, and star beings of light, who are in the process of evaluation like humanity, and its planet. Leaving behind all veils of forgetting, to remember more and more the way home, to their home in the stars from where they come. Opening more and more their perception of the new reality in harmony, and collaboration with their elder brothers from the stars. In this precise moment in which they are truly forging themselves to become travelers of the stars, conscious cosmic travelers strengthened in their self-love. To facilitate this process for you, the rainbow interconnection has been elaborately crafted with much love and dedication by the entire Council of Collaborators of Geneticist Intelligence, Galactic Spiritual, to assist you in the energetic reconfiguration, both in your light bodies and of your physical bodies. First of all, it is a series of energetic teachings, techniques, and sacred arts for the realization of the self. They contain various healing tools at the level of all their bodies, for the initiation of their transformation towards the cosmic conscious. Through this great initiation, you will receive the download of the 7 frequencies of power of the sacred fire, for the interconnection of your light body, through the download of the rainbow frequency, the diamond light of the cosmic Christ. This will allow them to transmit and radiate this spiritual multicolor light frequency in a sublime and loving way. Upon receiving the Rainbow Interconnection 441, also called Hilua's Rainbow Interconnection Method, from our great cosmic heart, an unstoppable and permanent process will begin, increasing its intensity exponentially and expansively in their light bodies, their physical bodies, emotional and all their energetic systems, pineal gland, pituitary, thymus, nervous systems, hormonal, muscular system, bone, lymphatic, brain, all the components and substances of their bodies, reactivating thus the rainbow frequency in you. It is so that it awakens and activates in a resounding and wonderful way, amplifying all their senses, the already known as smell, sight, hearing, touch, and the extrasensory senses such as telepathy, intuition, discernment, and channeling, among others that have been catalogued as paranormal or extrasensory. The rainbow interconnection activates in a single session an unstoppable process of ascension through the 3 sacred glands of the Divine Spirit, pineal, pituitary, and thymus, to take them to the next higher level known as diamond crystal. So, the crystal rainbow frequency is being sent to Earth from our great cosmic heart as Divine Mothers, as a result of the interdimensional luminous light that permeates all the Akasha of this universe, as well as your galaxy, solar system, and planet Earth. These new frequencies represent the energy of all the superior councils, made up of the great brotherhoods of star beings of light, in communion with the primordial creative source of all that is. And this, in turn, manifests in your human experience as the expression of the purest wisdom and compassion. It can then be considered as a bridge, arc, uniting the primary rays their wills and qualities as one, thus providing them a combined triangulation of the aspects of the divine feminine and the divine masculine, projected in all forms of matter. These frequencies are intelligence of liberating and transformative energies in action. This will allow you to free yourselves from the cross of suffering and experience in a rainbow way freedom based on the power of deep knowledge of their roots as rainbow humans in action. They will have thus a life experience from the true knowledge of the existence of all things in truth and unity, and from the true point that universal wisdom and compassion are expressed in the golden Christic cosmic consciousness. What beautiful and gratifying news, thanks Star and Galactic Brothers! All this through Father God, Mother. I am María Lustig, guardian of the flame of light at the service of humanity on this new earth. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you so much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If this content resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments, and share. Together we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to reach the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.